Welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Mark here with a C, coming to you from Canada. Got a bit of a situation here. Jamie and I recently ordered the brand new Ninja Foodi Power Blender Ultimate System. Just unboxed it, as you can see here. Get rid of this box. I just wanted to sort of show you. Just unboxed this. And as we're unboxing, paid for the extra blade storage system, which is pretty slick. I'm not sure why you would order it without it or why it doesn't come with it, but we paid for that extra. You see all the different parts here, still has all the stickers on it. And while we're unboxing it, Jamie says, what's wrong with this reservoir? So this is how the blade was sitting. And I don't know if you could zoom in and see that, Jamie. Unprotected, sitting like this inside of the actual reservoir. There may be a fancier name for that. And as we started looking at it, the inside of this reservoir, can you see that, Jamie, is all beat up. And it's beat up from the blade. That through shipping, it was bouncing around or whatever. And then down inside of here, right down here, Jamie, I don't know if you can get that. There's a huge chunk of plastic missing from the blade that we found inside of this. So here's the $1 million question. Again, not affiliated to Ninja, not associated Ninja, independent. We always do independent, unbiased reviews. Here's the big question. We've probably ordered 30 or 40 items from Ninja, Jamie, over the last 4 years of doing YouTube. Never had a problem on shipping. Never had to go back to Ninja and say we have a problem. So here's the hook. Here's the question. Took a bunch of pictures. Wanted to take this video to document it, but here's the question. We're gonna reach out to Ninja and we're gonna see what Ninja's gonna do. Are they gonna be like, yes, we're gonna send you a whole new system, we'll send you a new reservoir? I'm not sure, but stay tuned because we are gonna keep you updated in another video as to what Ninja did to make us whole so that we could use this product and shoot a review. We had everything ready to go to shoot a full comprehensive review, but we can't because I'm concerned that more plastic is gonna break off and somebody's gonna consume that, or the integrity of the reservoir will be compromised because of that broken piece inside. So that's our video. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you on the next one.